In this video, you will learn how to operate and maintain the TellerScan TSX40 multi-feed check scanner. Part 1. Initial setup. Start by setting the box on its side and pulling the scanner straight out as shown. This will help you avoid dropping it. Inside the box you will find a TellerScan TSX40 scanner, a power supply with detachable wall cord, a USB Type A to B cable, setup guide, and a Digital Check single-line inkjet cartridge. Please note that the inkjet cartridge is only included on models with an inkjet endorser. Please do not plug the scanner in immediately after unboxing it. You'll need to install the drivers first, which are usually contained within your banking software. If your scanner is an inkjet model, you'll need to install the ink cartridge before beginning. Start by removing the outer and central covers as shown. Unwrap the inkjet cartridge and insert it into the cartridge housing as shown. Press down gently on the tab to lock it into place. You will hear a click and the top of the cartridge should be laying flat relative to the inkjet carriage if it's properly inserted. When finished, replace the outer covers in the reverse order that you removed them. If you've installed your application and drivers, it's now safe to plug in the USB and power cables. Plug the power cord into a wall outlet, then plug the USB cable into the back of your PC. You are now ready to begin using your scanner. Visit www.digitalcheck.com for product information and training tips. Order supplies online at store.digitalcheck.com.